Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create target account. In order to create your target account, first you'll need to open your target app. This is the first interface you will see of target. Here you'll have to tap on join now option. You will need to type in your email and password in order to log in. But since we are creating new account, you'll have to scroll a bit and tap on create account option. Now you have to scroll a bit more. Here you'll have to type in your email on the first box. Then you'll have to add in your name in the second box, your last name, and your mobile number. After you type in your details, you'll have to create a password. Your password should be of 8 characters, at least one character with capital letter, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. After creating your password, you'll have to tap on the box below password in order to agree to their terms and conditions. After you fill all the requirements, you'll have to tap in the join now option. Then you will successfully create a target account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create a target account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.